This is Losing It, the wait is over and you're back. Last week they were dancing up a storm with Kurt. This week it's all about working the midsection.
Alright, so today guys we're going to do some abdominal exercise. And do your best, breathe, watch your form. We don't want nobody hurting him back. And let's just have some fun.
Master Brian feels I'm full of energy, I'm strong. So him take up this big long iron gimme. It's a steel and it's heavy. It look like map stick, but not a map stick. It's a iron. It weigh about 10 pounds.
Yo, the stick, quote unquote stick that Jason got was probably like 6-7 pounds heavier than everybody else's own. But I think that's because he went for the factory reset, you know? He's been gaining weight and heading back towards his original start point.
2, walk it down again, walk. I give Jason, well, it was a piece of iron actually. I give that Jason will be facing more of that from here on, because if I know that Jason is not making the effort and him don't care, I go and care for both of us. He has to do what he's supposed to do. If I am his instructor, he's going to do much more than him ever dream of doing. So he can prepare himself for that.
I try and do my best with it. I do my thing. I care it hard, try, I'm gonna do my thing. Nothing I know, when you come out to work out, I try my best.
Just work it, work it.
I want to put beside Andre all the time. Because I think I'm an injection that for continue. I think him soothe me, so when I go beside him, I know that at the end, I just feel good for start my week. Andre are the best since sliced bread.
3, 2, right side again, press, 4, 3, 2, left side, come on now, take it down, squeeze, come on, 4, 2, temp, knee up, right, squeeze it, 2, 1, come on, baby, breathe, let it walk, then breathe.
Our class was straight fire, trust me. Time I see Master Brian with him cap in there, I just know say, yo, somebody's about to die today, you know what I mean? That's kind of his motto.
The abs them kind of hard still, because a long time I do abs. I don't feel it, but it's good.
Push.
I liked it. It was really good.
7.
I don't think it was my fondest. The fact that I don't feel pain up already, not because of the shoot off, but I have some little pain issues that go on, and then now I have to get flat. Pain and get flat now work on abs. True, she is strong and me kind of little strong. But when me go down and hold her foot, when I come back up with the foot and she make a big shoe off, I say, God, I feel just make them stay flat. But then I bring it up back and we work to the end, and she that encourage me, you know? So when I hear the voice and she say, all right, come man, you count from 8 go down, and I just try. I don't remember if I did do the last one, but I know I did go from 8 to about 2.
Give me some more push. There you go. There you go. Come on now.
Class never bad still. It never over. One thing with him not overdo things. Master Brian, he overdo it like Chevron. So it was just okay enough to burn what you need to burn. It don't make no sense to work out for 2-3 hours. A little 1 hour, half an hour, that good. That depends on how the speed where you go. You don't need to go 2-3 hours. Some people work out 2-3 hours and them still not burn it.
Come on Mr. Brian class every Thursday. So I have an idea where Maggie. So that kind of alright.
Pump it up, up here, up here. Pump.
Did I do some little funny foot movement? I did think about bikini bottom or just there, you know, that SpongeBob something there. And then she have on the yellow. And then, you know, He did feel good there beside Andre because him just go on, and one of the time he stop and told me say Andre still go on with him look for something. I just continue because I say I can't come look flap out. Andre dance and me stand up and look. So I love Andre bad. I'm not telling a lie. I think Andre is my favorite, even though I'm not on my team. I love him more than Gavin.
I thought it would have been a little longer. I mean, I could have went a little bit more, but I could tell by how I sweat. I had to actually go wash this shirt out, like wash with water and hang it out there to dry. So, I mean, I give thanks for that. I mean, we're the only ones that benefit when the trainers push us hard or when people motivate us to work harder. So, I'm glad for that.
It never so long. So then I was able to finish the class, but my abs them still not feel right. Probably need a next abs class.